Okay, so this is going to be a test video here to see our new setup involving live broadcasting using Excel worksheets for an electronic graph paper experience instead of a camera on some graph paper. So that being said, let's see what we got here. We've got our drawing tool is what we want. And we want to make our eventual box around 24 frets of the fretboard. It's easiest to see all the repeats and how everything comes together with a full 24 fretboard, even if your guitar only has 22 or 21 or whatever. So to do that, though, you could count little squares, but that's a pain. There's an easier shortcut I'll show you right now. I've got this drawing tool set up here. So we're going to put it right about, I thought I should get an arrow though, like a pointer. See, I'm getting a text box instead. That's weird. Yeah, that's not what we want. We want to draw. I want a dot probably that big. I'll take black. Okay. And yeah, let's do that. Ah, great. There's our dot. We'll mount it right where we want it on the middle line so it doesn't interfere with any of our boxes. And it centers itself nicely on our imaginary fretboard here, just like on a guitar. So that works out really good. Now we want 4 of these dots spaced 1 box apart, but we want to be 2 boxes away from our starting point, which is going to mirror the 2 boxes away from our ending point. And this will bring us to the exact 12th fret if we just follow that little code. What you should do there is create the double dots like your guitar. Just skip 1 line, go up, same thing on the bottom, and then same thing over here, skip 2 boxes, just like we did in the start, and mirror image the 3rd fret, which is now the 15th, 17th, 19th, 21, 22, 23, and here's 24. And we've got an easy way to get a box over to 24 frets. So let's do that now. We need to go back here. And then we need to go to home, I believe. And we're going to go to this. Or we're going to go to draw a border. We're actually going to draw a grid. So I'm going to try a little experiment here today. I've noticed that on the transfer over to the OBS software, and eventually what you'll see, you don't have a nice crisp graph paper backup like I do. It shows all the lines in varying colors. So what I'm going to try to do, instead of just making a large box, I'm going to create, a grid like this. So we can easily get to 24 frets like that, and I think you should be able to see that a lot better. Now, it'll be harder for me to outline what I need to show, but I can either, if I can't do that super thick, I can also do that in a different color, I think. So border colors. I don't think I can do, it'd be nice if I could do border colors, not just black. Line color, there we go. Beautiful. We could do it in red. And so that if I make another box, say here, beautiful, I can make red, outline what I'm doing in red. Okay, so let's go with that. Now what we're going to do, I need these bottom squares to be a little bigger here. So what we're going to do is go to here, and then we're going to go to row heights is what I want, I believe. Perfect. That gave me what I needed. All right, so uncheck that. Beauteous. All right, so we're gonna make another cell box here. Line color is red, beautiful. We're going to draw a border grid. Oh, and I'm gonna try to also do this. Let's draw a border first. All right, so we're gonna use a red line there I like a thicker line. As a matter of fact, line style. A nice thick one there. Why don't we do that instead? Ooh, I like that. That's gonna denote our nut right there. Okay. So then we've got the first fret out of the guitar, the F, third fret G, fifth fret A. Beautiful. Okay. So now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna show you the actually I'm gonna cut the video down here so it's easier to upload while I'm on the road here and searching for using up data here. That's how you make a fretboard, and we're going to now show you how easy it is to memorize the major scale in a way that allows you to fill it up and know where you are at any point on the fretboard, know all the notes that are available to you, and also it'll lead into how to be able to play any mode, anytime, anywhere, understand major, minor scale. Everything is going to start off a core understanding here of core geography, or geometry. Sorry, not geography. Okay, so before I talk myself off a cliff here, I'm going to pack this lesson up. But let me know what you think. Like and subscribe. Let me know what you think about the new format, and we're going to go from there. Alrighty. Thank you for watching.